All right, I'm Tom Ruth here with Firematic TV. Again, we are live. We're in Baltimore at the Firehouse Expo. I brought you some stuff on SCBAs yesterday over here in the MSA booth. Today we're fortunate enough to have one of our meter experts, Tom Jeremaz, straight from MSA, to discuss the latest line of Altair gas meters. Tom, take it away. Thanks very much.
Hey everyone, Tom Jeremaz from the Firehouse Expo in Baltimore. I'm going to take you through our new line of Altair meters from start to finish, and we're going to dabble in the hazmat arena. Meters and the fire service haven't always gone hand in hand. They've been a challenge in terms of durability, ease of use, and reliability. The new series of Altair meters has come a long way, makes life easier, and we're going to talk about the Galaxy calibration system, which is going to help save you money and give you factory calibrations right in the firehouse without ever having to leave. Starting at the bottom line, we've got the CO detector, single gas. It's got an aggressive clip. You just pop it on your bunker gear. One button, completely waterproof. It's got three types of alarms. It's got audible, visual, and a vibrating alarm. So even if you can't hear it, can't see it, you're still going to know it's an alarm because it's vibrating on your gear. The calibration unit for this just pops in. 90 seconds, you've got a factory calibration. We've got the CO cylinder over here. Now, this may seem like a fairly bulky unit. If you've only got one type of Altair meter, then you're going to have this much. If you have an Altair single gas and a multi-gas, then you're going to have this much. If you have the whole Altair family, then you'll have all three modules. Moving up from the single gas to the multi-gas, this is the Altair 4. Some of the similarities are, again, three types of alarms: audible, visual, vibrating alarm. Waterproof meter as well. Again, a great aggressive clip, goes right on your bunker gear, incredibly durable. It takes 10-foot drops onto hard concrete multiple times. You guys can break anything. This is going to be a challenge to break. Again, we've got the Galaxy here. Pops in. 90-second calibration. There is also a charging module available. So if you want to pop the meter in, hit go, you can walk away. After the calibration is complete, the meter turns off and it charges overnight. So it's really just a piece of cake to utilize. Moving up the line to the Altair 5. This is the Cadillac of them all. The Altair 5 not only has a color display, it can accept 5 different types of sensors. The normal big 4 that we talk about in the fire service are LEL, oxygen, CO, and H2S. And we have a slot for a 5th sensor. Could be an exotic sensor like ammonia or chlorine, or even an infrared sensor for those specialty type of applications. On the back, we have a pump inlet. Now, because of the pump inlet, this unit is not completely waterproof. However, we do have a water and dust filter right on the back. We made it clear so you can see if anything has intruded into the unit. Let's take a look at the Galaxy. Pop that in, let it run. Again, a very fast calibration. The great thing with this whole Altair series of units is the Altair 4, the Altair 5, they use similar calibration cylinders. So again, another cost savings advantage. You can do a factory calibration in-house. You can share the same calibration gas for the 4 and the 5. The CO, all you need is a bump cam for that. On the back of the Altair 5, we've got a big aggressive D-ring clip. You can clip it onto a self-retracting lanyard so you can take a reading, let it go, and it zips right back up onto your bunker gear. Have the same kind of D-ring clip on the Altair 4 and on the single gas CO Altair. Now, these three are units that could be used by any firehouse anywhere in the country. Once you get into those more sophisticated types of hazmat applications, you want to bring in some other technologies to give you a sense of what's really going on behind just explosive gases, carbon monoxide, oxygen, and hydrogen sulfide. So over here, we have the Sirius multi-gas detector. We have literally thousands of these out in the field in use by hazmat teams all over the country. This uses the big 4, so it's essentially you have an Altair 4 built into this unit, and then we also have something called a photoionization detector, a PID. What that does is looks for volatile organic compounds, anything from accelerants that might be used in an arson case, to floor cleaners, to gasoline or aviation fuels. Anything that's volatile and organic, this will look for it. It'll give you a sense of how much is there if you know what you're looking for, and it's a great tool used for hazmat. Every single meter that we talked about all has data logging capabilities, and you as the user can download that information onto your computer for record keeping, for training, or in the event that there's a significant catastrophic event, you can go back and review what went wrong. That's it from Baltimore. Thanks.